Example 4 says, you are given the average. Find the missing number. Now, Aiden, how do I find an average? Add them up and divide by the number of how many there are. Well, let me ask you this. How many are there?
5.
Okay. So I'm going to do this, Aiden. One number, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that all right? And then I'm going to divide all of this by 5, and that equals the average. Do you agree? But what is the average? Negative 25, isn't it? Okay. Now let me plug in my numbers. Okay. So I've got negative 36, negative 22, negative 12, negative 20, and, oh, I don't know. I think I'll put X. Okay. Now, let's rewrite this. I like negative 36. Do I like plus negative 22?
No.
I'm just going to put what? Minus 22. How about here? Minus 12. How about here? Minus 20. And we'll just put plus X all over 5 is equal to negative 25. Now are we okay? Still good, right? Easy. Now, Barrett, you're not looking up here. I don't know what you're looking at. Oh, okay, good. Barrett, help me with this. Let's put these together. Can you do that for me? You want to do them one at a time? Let's do that. What's negative 36 and negative 22? That's okay. No, they're both negatives.
Oh, sorry.
Negative what? Negative 58. Perfect. All right. I'll write that over here. Negative 58 and negative 12 gives me what, Barrett? Negative 70. Good. And then negative 70 and negative 20 gives me what? Negative 90. All right, so I got negative 90 plus X divided by 5 is equal to negative 25. Now let me ask you something. How can I figure out what this stuff up here needs to equal? I know that this stuff divided by 5 equals negative 25, right? What should I do? Evan? Negative 25 times 5, right? Okay? If I multiply this and this, that'll tell me what this stuff up here needs to equal. Do you agree? What is negative 25 times 5? Can anyone tell me what that is? Evan?
130.
No. 5 times negative 25. Elise? So 90 plus X needs to equal negative 125. Okay, that's all right. But do you see it now, Evan? Huh. Wait a minute. I need to know what X equals. I need to solve this. How do I get rid of the negative 90? Isabella? I do what? No. How do I get rid of negative 90, Moreau? I add 90. Right? Does that make sense? What happens to these two things? They do cancel out, and I'm left with what on this side of the equation? X. Good. That's going to tell us what X equals. And what is negative 125 and positive 90? What is that when you put them together? Bailey? Negative 30. So X needed to be negative. Oh, is it negative 35? Thank you. I'm sorry, that I didn't catch it, Bailey. Negative 35. Does that make sense? From negative, or from, oh, there are 35 negatives left over? Right?
Yeah.
All right, nice job. Let's look at the next one.